bag of oven baked cheddar and sour cream chips. They say they're healthy for you, right? Let's put the test to flames and see what the outcome will be.
Do it.
Over here, babe.
Got it.
Baked, right? No oil. Let's see about that.
There you can. There's fire building up right now. You can smell the flavor or the scent of that cheddar sour cream.
Oh, what is that, people? What is that? Oil? Gasoline? Some inflammatory chemicals that we have no idea about. Put the camera over here. Look at that. That's going into our bodies. Back to me, babe. And I still love it. Ruffles, get your hands on one of these.